Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atunike. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieve this gorgeous headband wig. I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to be using to achieve this gorgeous wig. So I'll be sharing with you how I achieve this short coily headband wig. So I purchased 6 bundles of this hair, but I use only 3. So I'm going to be using the gun method. I won't be sewing at all. Even the headband, I won't be sewing it at all. I purchased this hair on AliExpress. So now I'm just putting the gum on the cap, then I'll lay the weave on it. I regret using this color black gum glue. I could have used the white one. This black one is not really holding the weave like the black one, or else if I put a lot of gum. So I regret using the black one. I should have used the white one. I just said let me test this black one out, because the weave itself is black, that it will be better, it will rhyme together. Even though if I use the white one, it won't show. I didn't cut the weave at all. I make use of the flip over method. Then this cap I'm using is a dump cap, it's not a mesh cap. If you want to use gum for weave, you have to use a dump cap, not a mesh cap, because the cap won't stick to the manicure head. So that is why I said you have to use a dump cap, not a mesh cap. So you can see I'm just doing the flip over method. I keep do not gum on the tip of the cap, because the elastic part, because that is where we are going to be putting our headband. I keep following the track I'm using till I finished the wig. That was how I keep laying it. I don't really know how to explain better. So Can you see? When I reach the front, you will see that it's formed a little bit U shape. Don't worry, that it won't show at the end. When I put on the wig, they won't even see the part where I close it at the front. It won't show when I put on the wig. The wig, I mean, sorry, the wig. If you want me to share with you or how I wash my weave, you know, I love to use gun gum to make my wig. So if you want me to share with you guys how I washed it, kindly please comment down below. I'll be happy to share with you how I wash my weave. Even if you want me to share with you how I wash my synthetic weave that I DIY for you guys, I'll share with you all. This hair is a Brazilian hair, it's not a synthetic hair. So guys, enjoy, keep on watching. This was the part I was talking about, that when I gum it down it won't show, so I'll just keep on gumming it. Yeah. So now I'm going to lay the headband down. I'm not going to sew it, I'm going to glue it down. This is a very fast method to achieve your headband wig. So I'll be laying it now. I use bobby pin to hold the tip of all the hair round down so that I won't put glue on them when I want to gum this headband. Okay, now let's apply the wig. Let's throw on the wig on. Ooh, yeah. I really love the outcome of this wig. Just wait a little bit, you know, it's kind of small now. I'm going to be using a comb. I'm just using this comb just to make the hair more floppy. I don't want to lose the coils at all, as I said earlier. So after I finish combing it, let's now look at the final look. I'm really feeling this hair. So this is the final look. Yes, I can rock it with only the band I glue on the tip of the wig. I can rock it like that, but at the end of this video I put on another headband on it to allow you guys to see how it's going to look like. It still looks beautiful, so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, your love. Please do not forget to thumbs up, like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. Love you. Thank you.